What's happening, guys? I'm the stock guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing a trade recap showing you guys exactly how I made 20% profit day trading SPY options contracts today. For those of you who don't know, SPY is just an S&P ETF. So let's get right into the trade, guys. So the market opened today with a pretty big drop down. I think the S&P was down about 200 points at the open. So what I was expecting is a little bit of a push upward since we had already started down in the pre-market. And we had also had some technical formation starting. So let me zoom in a bit here on the SPY and show you guys what I mean. So we had this gap down, and then we started having this resistance level. As you can see, we hit the resistance here, hit resistance again here, again, and then one more time here, a little bit higher, but all this same general resistance range. And so I was thinking, we kind of already had this big move down. We already kind of started trying to push a little bit higher in the pre-market. So I was definitely expecting a push up at the market open, and that is what we got. But let me show you guys the exact technical formation and when I got in, when I got out, and how I was able to make this money today. Okay, so right here is really the technical formation where I drew my resistance line right at these candlesticks right here. So let me extend this a bit. Okay, so what I was looking for this morning is the break above this resistance, which we got here with this candlestick. Now, I definitely could have gotten in right here, and that would have been fine. But I actually waited for the next minute right here, right? And I ended up getting in on this candlestick just because when this one broke above, it kind of came back down. As you can see, we had a little bit of a wick there, which I didn't love. But once I saw this next candlestick forming, I decided, it had some power behind it, so I got in here. And if you scroll down right to the bottom here to the times, you can see this is at 9:37 that I got in. Let me get it back on the right candlestick. There you go. You can see this candlestick's at 9:37. So if you look here, you can see my entry at 9:37. That is the candlestick where I entered. And you can see here I got out at 9:41. So if you go and look at 9:41 on the chart, you're going to see that it's the very top of this move. So I captured right when it broke out all the way to the top there, and I was able to capture 20% on this contract. Now, this wasn't just luck or anything like that, guys. It was a great technical formation. We had this resistance that was being built, and I knew that the market was going to try to break above there and close the gap that had started in the morning. Because it had gap down. I thought that it would fill the gap and go back up, which it eventually did. But I just wanted to catch a small portion of that, and that's exactly what I did here. Just held the stock for or the contract for these couple of minutes here. And if I go back here, I can show you guys that it was 20% profit. You can see here I bought the contract at 83 cents per contract, and I got out at $1.03. So just about 20%, tiny bit more, but we can call it 20% profit on this trade today on this great technical setup. And what I wanted to do, guys, is show that anybody could do this. So 20% here, if you were to take this trade with $100, you'd be making 20 bucks. If you take it with $500, you're going to be making 100 bucks. You take it with $1,000, you can make 200 bucks. You take it with $5,000, you can make $1,000 on this one trade. Very simple setup. Anybody could do it, and it's very replicable. So there's a lot of different patterns and stuff, but the 20% that I like to get, you can see in all my other videos, that is what I shoot for. And on these trades, I'm only risking 10%. So if this was to go down here, I would have cut my losses at a 10% loss, which is half of what my target is. So my risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. So it's a very good system that I've got going on. So if you want to see some more videos like this or see some other trades that I've taken, go ahead and click my channel below because I've got a lot more videos like this one. And if you guys are interested in joining some type of community, I have a Discord chat with hundreds of stock traders in it. So you can go ahead and add me right here. This is my Discord name. And I'll send you guys a link to the Discord. Just shoot me a direct message and ask me about it, and I'll send you a link to the chat room with all the different traders in it. We all share our ideas, trade ideas, and our opinions on what's going to happen. So it's definitely a great place to be in if you are a stock trader. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and definitely make sure you click subscribe because I promise you, every video of mine that comes out, you will learn something from it. All right, peace out, guys.